Hey YouTube, today we got my wife's 2008 JK Wrangler 2-door. I started developing a power steering leak in the front passenger side. Started leaking pretty bad actually. Let me show you quickly where it is. See that light? See the rusty line that came up? We actually bought this Jeep from a lady in West Virginia. I guess she parked it on the grass or start looking on how to take it off. Took out the air box. This is where the air box is. Just pull it up. Clamp right here. Check out this air filter. Nasty. So I think I'm gonna change this line as well. Maybe you can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and change this line as well. Return line, they call it. So in order to take that line off, I'm gonna have to jack up the Jeep and then put it on some jack stands. Take this tire off the driver's side and take this splash guard off. Make it easier for myself. All right, let's start doing the work. Roll. Got my Mustang I'm restoring behind me. Okay. Gotta take the splash guard off. These little nonsense, little clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's get to work. Clips, this is a lifesaver. All right, got the wheel off. Got the splash guard off. Looks like it's gonna be a little difficult because I gotta get in here and get to this screw right here. God, not used to this camera stuff. There's the bolt right there. That's one. It's one of the lines to the power steering. There's another one back. All right, looks like I figured out logistically how to remove everything. First, there's this clip here. Just gotta press it, push it away, push it aside. It was a pain. And then the 2 bolts, the 2 nuts that hold it to the power steering. Are size 18. This is a return line, and the return line is this one, and the pressure line is this one, and they're both size, focus, both size 18. You can barely fit a wrench in there. Like that, it barely fit, but I was able to loosen it. And then there's these plastic clips, the plastic clips. Those are the plastic clips you gotta remove. There's one here for return line, And there's one, where is it? One here. Got it, focus. Remove those will come loose. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. Give me a like, subscribe, give me a comment. I hope it's helping people out. It's going to help people out. Sorry it's going to be a couple parts, hopefully just 2. Appreciate it. Take care.